This delicious pasta dish combines chicken, bacon, and a homemade ranch seasoning to bring you a protein-packed meal full of savory flavors that mix together extremely well. Hello and welcome to Cozymeal Studios. Today we'll be cooking a chicken bacon ranch pasta, and of course we're going to make the ranch dressing from scratch. Let's begin. But before we begin, please make sure to hit like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell. And now let's get cooking. Let's begin by first preparing the rotini pasta. Fill a 4-quart pot with water and 2 tablespoons of salt. Then bring the salted water to a boil before adding the pasta. And once it begins boiling, add 14.5 ounces of rotini pasta and cook it for 7 minutes. While the pasta is cooking, let's prepare our main sauce. In a blender, add 2 cups of wholemeal cottage cheese, half a cup of water, and a 1/4 cup of fresh lemon juice. Then in a separate bowl, let's make our ranch seasoning by combining buttermilk powder, dried parsley, dried dill weed, dried chives, kosher salt, and ground black pepper. The measurements will be written in the screen. Mix all these ingredients until well combined and add into the same blender as before. Now blend on high speed until you have created a smooth sauce. If the pasta has already finished cooking, use a colander to drain it and set aside. In a large sauté pan over medium heat, cook 14.5 ounces of center-cut bacon until crispy. Then use a slotted spoon to remove the cooked bacon and place it on a paper towel lined plate. Keep the sauté pan with the bacon grease on the heat so that we can use it to cook our chicken. In the same hot sauté pan, gently place 1.5 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken breasts and sear on one side for 6 minutes, then flip to the other side for 4 more minutes. Once the chicken breasts are thoroughly cooked, turn the heat down to low and remove the chicken. Chicken thighs or even smoked sausage can also be used instead of chicken breasts in this recipe. Additionally, frozen mixed vegetables can also be added to boost fiber and nutrition. Now slice the chicken breast into small strips, and once cut, place the strips back into the sauté pan and add the rotini pasta, ranch sauce, and cooked bacon. Toss everything together until well combined, then plate, serve, and enjoy. If you enjoyed this recipe, please make sure to check the description box below where you can view all the written steps, check notes, and even click on our website link at cozymeal.com/recipes, where you'll be able to find more delicious meals for your weeknight dinners. Also, please make sure to leave a like on this video and share this recipe with all your friends and all your family. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in our next video recipe.